Instagram Reels, not opening in DMs on web. Hey everyone! In this quick update, I'm going to explain why Instagram Reels aren't opening in DMs on Instagram web, and what you can do about it right now. So if you're trying to view Reels on your browser and they just won't load, follow along. Alright, let's jump in. If you're using Instagram through a browser, whether on your phone or your computer, you may have noticed that Reels sent in DMs aren't opening. When someone sends you a reel, or you send one, the thumbnail might look weird or not load properly. And when you click it, you'll see the message, "Sorry, this content isn't available right now." So what's going on? This isn't your fault. And there's nothing wrong with your account. This is actually a bug on Instagram's side, and a lot of users are experiencing the exact same issue on both mobile and desktop browsers. Now for the temporary fix, and it's really simple. Open the reel using the Instagram mobile app instead. Reels play normally inside the app, so until Instagram rolls out a fix for the web version, that's the only reliable workaround. And that's it. I'll keep an eye on this issue and update you as soon as anything changes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and fixes.